Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so the update process runs cleanly. Open Settings now and check About Phone to confirm model and Android version, because emoji updates sometimes depend on system-level support. Once done, make sure you've backed up keyboard settings or enabled Samsung Cloud Sync. This preserves custom words and layouts. Finally, connect to Wi-Fi and keep the battery above 20% to avoid interruptions. These steps prevent failures and save time. You now update the keyboard app itself, which often delivers new emoji designs and mappings. Open Galaxy Store or Google Play, search for Samsung Keyboard, and tap Update if present. If it shows Open instead, the app is current. After installing, reboot the device to finalize any resource changes. If no app update appears, go to Settings Software Update and install System Updates. Samsung sometimes bundles emoji changes in firmware. Make sure to check both app and system levels so emoji are recognized. You finish by verifying the new emoji are available and clear any residual issues. Open Messages or Notes, switch to Samsung Keyboard, then open the emoji panel to confirm updated designs and entries. If some emoji are missing, go to Settings Apps Samsung Keyboard, clear cache, or reset keyboard settings. This often resolves mapping problems. If problems persist, temporarily install a third-party keyboard to confirm system support. And if necessary, contact Samsung support for firmware-level fixes or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.